Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a negative PayPal balance. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate directly to your summary page. You'll clearly see the negative amount displayed there. It's absolutely crucial to address this promptly to avoid any further complications or restrictions on your account. Typically, a negative balance occurs due to a reversed payment, a chargeback, or perhaps an unauthorized transaction. There are several straightforward ways to clear a negative balance. The easiest is to add funds directly from a linked bank account or a debit card. Simply click Add Money and follow the prompts. Alternatively, if someone sends you a payment, it will automatically apply to your negative balance. You can also convert funds from another currency balance if you have one, offering quick resolution. Ignoring a negative balance can lead to serious consequences. PayPal may restrict your account, and after 60 days, they might initiate collection efforts, potentially impacting your credit score. To prevent this, always ensure sufficient funds for transactions and regularly review your account activity. Setting up automatic transfers for recurring payments can also be a helpful preventative measure. If you're unsure why your balance is negative, thoroughly review your recent transaction history. For complex situations, don't hesitate to contact PayPal customer service. They can offer personalized guidance. Remember, resolving a negative balance within a few days is ideal to avoid any account limitations or further actions. Stay proactive and keep your account healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.